This has to be the right way.
I've always regarded Unreal Engine as an extraordinary top-class game engine for digital creators around the world. The first look into the new Unreal Engine 5 was released just over a week ago, introducing game-changing technologies. The main focus was on Nanite and Lumen. The Nanite technology allows creators to simply import movie quality assets, which of course means the era of spending a lot of time and effort towards manual asset optimization for game development will soon be over. Talking about optimization, I remember a few years ago I had one particular 3D asset I was trying to use in my Unreal Engine game. I remember spending so much time on optimization and at some point having to pay an expert to help me out before everything could look the way I wanted it. I'm really excited about this Nanite technology, as it would not matter how many millions or billions of polygons you're trying to import. What would matter is importing your model and creating your game. The second technology that was introduced in the new Unreal Engine 5 is called Lumen, which happens to be a very powerful illumination tool. The illumination tool affords creators the chance to add extra light quality to their project. This new Unreal Engine 5 is expected to be launched late next year. I look forward to this one.